Wait.
That's right. It was out in the middle of nowhere. There were 2 black women that owned about 50 acres of land in that area off rip from the beginning. As soon as it could be legally homesteaded, they had the deeds to it. Then you had black landowners and entrepreneurs all throughout Tampa that had businesses downtown. This is before Central Avenue. So we talk about all of that. There were 3 black men on the Tampa City Council in the 1870s that nobody really talks about. There was a black sheriff. So you had Mills Holloman, Cyrus Green, and Henry Brummick.
Well, Cyrus Green, there's a pool named after him on Belmont Heights. There's a pool right there in Cyrus Green.
I'm sorry, that's Cyrus Green. The guy was Cyrus Charles. So it's not the same guy.
Oh, okay, my bad.
Not the same guy. And so then from there was a black sheriff of Hillsborough County in 1877. His name was Richard Roach. There's no plaque for him. There was a black woman named Lou Hunter that owned a boarding house and 2 restaurants right in downtown. She worked at the Tampa Bay Hotel. There were tons of black business owners. Now, in downtown, they owned businesses that catered to the white community. So these weren't black